the input for our process is solid feedstock. So whether you're printing titanium or aluminum, the input is going to be a solid bar of that material. And so our feeder system puts that material under a lot of pressure, a lot of force, and spins it up so that in the deposition pool, we're able to plasticize that material without melting it. And that lets us build components in a way that other melt-based additive processes really can't. The new DragonForge system has a higher force feeder. It's capable of pushing up to 9,000 pounds, which lets us print with 7,000 series aluminum. So 7075, 7050. These are high demand alloys for the aerospace industry. And so new customers and existing customers are going to be able to make parts with these components that they haven't been able to in the past.
So with DragonForge, what a big change that we've done, we have switched to the full CNC controller, and this opens a lot of improved options and functionality that you can do with the machine. One of them is the ability to simulate your G-code at up to 100 times the normal speed, so you can do that quickly. Another item is the ability to restart a G-code without having to rewrite the G-code.
From a programming perspective, the new DragonForge series is a lot more intuitive. The new G-code language, the syntax is a lot more readable. There's less of a learning curve. It also has a bunch of built-in quality control functions for the G-code. You can upload the code. It'll run a check just to make sure all your syntax is correct. You can have the machine pretend like it's running through the code, and so you can actually see the position that the machine's going to be moving to. You can also do a dry run of the code, which does everything except turn on the spindle in the feeder, so everything's moving as it would be, which is really great for complicated G-codes or geometries where there's complicated tapers, which has been a big help with a lot of the prints we've done recently.
With the DragonForge, which allows you to push up to 9,000 pounds, there's a lot of other hardware changes that came along with this to make the machine better. Not only hardware, but also software changes.
It means more consistent material behavior, more consistent process behavior, and better longevity in the machine life.